Right, here's just a little bit more. It's just another little story about a damp house, or not, as the case may be. But yeah, a little timber frame. You can see the front range, which is the furthest bit away from you, is timber frame, and then a little Victorian bit was added on with a great little there you go, leany Victorian chimney, kind of cute. But if we go down here, this is a very typical cause of damp, and what I'm looking at is all these bits of pipework sticking out the back. You've got a roof coming down, more roof coming down, horrendous setup with water pipes everywhere. So you can see with a lot of water collecting. There's bathrooms, there's roof, there's all sorts of stuff collecting up, and you can see down the wall here you've got little sort of inny-outy, sort of corbelled in little bits of brickwork, and it all comes down to this. And I think you can tell that basically you've got a damp trap down there. None of that works. It's not draining, and if you look at this backyard, it's actually subsiding quite a bit. There's cracks everywhere. The concrete's full of cracks. There's moisture going in all over the place. So effectively the back end of this building is sodden, and although the ground level here is a little bit lower, if you look down there, it's lower than at the back door, and at this point here at the back door, the ground level is actually too high. It's higher than the internal ground level. But here we've got a source of wetness that's going to soak the wall, and if we come in, you'll see that the ground drops down. There's a step there, and the little kitchen at the back here drops down, which corresponds with the outside ground level. So we've got a generator of moisture right down in this corner. On the outside of this corner here is that pipe and that blocked drain, and guess what? You can see all the signs here of dampness and moisture and entrapment and concrete, and you've even got copper pipes buried in concrete. You've got salts, you've got paper that's just peeling off. We can look at this. It's horrible. It's wet. It's full of dampness, cobwebs. It's a mess. This is a little bit damp and salty, and you can see there's been a bit of dampness at the bottom of that wall there, all the way up. Dreadful. Quite messy, quite horrible. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
And there you go, that's it.